So first and most important, that is Indian Pharmacopoeia. I hope you had read this concept in your B Pharma first semester in the pharma dispensing pharmacy. So basic introduction we are having regarding the Indian Pharmacopoeia, that is it is published by the Indian Pharmacopoeial Commission IPC on behalf of Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, that is Government of India. It was published by the we can say it was published by the IPC, that is Indian Pharmacopoeial Commission. On what behalf, on what regulation? That is MHFW. In examination, they can ask you simple full form of your MHFW, like what stand MHFW? That is Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, that is Government of India. And the Indian Pharmacopoeia list is 1946. 1946, that is the Indian Pharmacopoeia list. First Pharmacopoeia started in year of 1944 and the under the chairmanship of 𝘂𝙀𝙎𝙎𝙬𝙎. 𝘂𝙀𝙎𝙎𝙎𝙎 that has published the first Pharmacopoeia in the year of 1944. Secondly, we are having the Indian Pharmacopoeia Committee. Indian Pharmacopoeia Committee, that is chairman under the chairmanship of Dr. 𝘂𝙂𝙎𝑃. And in the first time, like in the year of 1955, we are having the first edition of Indian Pharmacopoeia that is not having any specific color. Like after three Pharmacopoeia, fourth Pharmacopoeia, we are having the blue in color. But first Pharmacopoeia, we don't have any color. Like not specified, like color is not specified, but the pharmacopoeial book contain the we can say color. So a full-fledged, or we can say fully organized pharmacopoeial committee was made in the year of 1948, and in the same year the Pharmacy Act was. So about the headquarter, where the headquarter of Pharmacopoeia, sir? So it is in Ghaziabad, that is Ghaziabad district of the state Uttar Pradesh. It is situated in the Ghaziabad district of the Uttar Pradesh. So you are able to see just this like the outside pic of the building of the Indian Pharmacopoeial headquarter. Na? Next, we are having a tabular representation in which you are able to see, that is addition, then supplement, then chairmanship and specific feature of that pharmacopoeia. So first pharmacopoeia that was published in the year of 1955 and supplemented in the year of 1960 under the chairmanship of 𝘂𝙂𝙎𝙎𝙎. So as I told you, 𝘂𝙂𝙎𝙎𝙎 was the chairman of IPC at the time of publication of the first pharmacopoeia. Its cover around 986 monograph, and title of the monograph are basically in the which language? Latin language they have used. They had used the Latin language and weight and measure in the metric system. They are just using metric system. Na? Secondly, we are having the 1966, that is supplemented in year of 1975, that is chairmanship of Dr. 𝘂𝙂𝙎 Mukherjee, and the title of monograph is in Latin language to the English language, and name of the drugs first come, and new analytical technique was also added. Thirdly, we are having 1985, having the 2 volume, that is the 1989 and 1991, and Dr. Nityanand was the chairperson in the third edition, and dissolution test for the tablet was added in the third pharmacopoeia. That is the important point. I hope you are able to see just behind of my video. I just write here also the third important point of the third edition, that is dissolution test was added. Got it? Fourth, we are having the year of 1996. It is having the 2 volume, as that of third pharmacopoeia means 2 volume means that is like 2 book set is there. Like we are having the GDC color module having the 16 set of fully theory book. Na? In the same way, we are having the Pharmacist at fingertip, that is MCQ as well as theory. Same, we are having the drug inspector at fingertips, same MCQ and the theory. Got it? So the supplement was in the year of 2000, 2002, 2005 under the chairmanship of Dr. Nityanand, and computer generated formula was used, and IR spectroscopy and UV spectroscopy was added in the fourth pharmacopoeia. Then we are having Fifth pharmacopoeia that was in the year of 2007. I will tell you the trick how you have to remember these pharmacopoeia. There is no need to panic, sir. It is very difficult to us to know about the concept, like actual concept of the pharmacopoeia. So fifth pharmacopoeia that was published in the year of 2007 and it was supplemented in 2008 under the chairmanship of Dr. Nityanand. Next, sixth pharmacopoeia that was published in the year of 2010 and it is also having the 3 volume. Got it? As we are having the 3 module of the pharmacology, like module number 3, 4, 5 for like theory, that is for the GPAT and GPAT and NIPER basically. But the student that want to learn, that want to read the topic in detail, they can also go for the GDC colored module. And it is supplemented in the year of 2012 and under the chairmanship of 𝘾𝙀𝙉𝙎. And product of the biotechnology and herbal product was added here. Na? 7th pharmacopoeia in the year of 2014 and it is having the 4 volume. Na? 4 volume is there. And under the supplemented year is like 2015 and 16. And this time the chairperson was 𝘂𝙂𝙎𝙬. Radiopharmaceuticals was added. Radiopharmaceuticals were added in the pharmacopoeia, that is 7. Biotechnical product, that is in the 6. About the 8th pharmacopoeia that was published in the year of 2018. At that time I was in my B Pharma, na? And our B Pharma is of 4 year. Got it? And it was supplemented in year of 2019 and 𝘎𝙀𝙬𝙎𝑃 was the chairman when the 8th edition of pharmacopoeia was published. Then we are having 9th pharmacopoeia, that is the latest one pharmacopoeia. It was published in the year of 2022 having the 1st volume and it was launched on 1st July 2022 by the Union of Ministry and Family Welfare and Chemical and Fertilizer. Manshukh Mandavia was the chairman at the time of publication of the latest module of pharmacopoeia, that is 9th module, 9th volume, and total 92 new monograph was added in the 9th pharmacopoeia. Like 3 biotechnological dried, 4 vaccines, 2 herbs, and 7 phytopharmaceuticals ingredient category of monograph are there. So how we can remember, sir, when was the 1st pharmacopoeia was published, when was the 7th was published? So initially 1st pharmacopoeia was published, just you have to remember, 1955. Then after we are having 11 year. After 11 year, we are having the pharmacopoeia in the 1966. Then after we are having the 3rd pharmacopoeia that was around 20 year. Na? After 20 year of 2nd pharmacopoeia, we are having the 3rd pharmacopoeia, that is in the year of 1985. In the year of 1985, you have to add after 20. Then again 11 edition is there, that is 1996. Then again 11 edition is there, 2006 maybe, 2006 after addition of 10, then you have to 11, you have to add only 2007. Then plus 3 is there, means 2010, plus 4 means 2014, then 2018, and the latest one we are having the 2022. Got it? So this is the sequence that you have to know, like which pharmacopoeia was published in which year. So initial 3 pharmacopoeia are doesn't having any, not having any specific color, not specific color. Na? Color was not decided like any of the color has been given. But after that, next 3 one are having the blue in color. Then 2 are having the orange in color. Then the latest one I think red in color. Na? 3 one is blue in color, then orange in color, and the last one is having the red in color, maybe red and orange somehow. Got it? So how we can remember like which of the which pharmacopoeia was published under the chairmanship of which chairman? So first pharmacopoeia was published Dr. B.N. Ghosh. So just I will read the trick first. Na? Ghosh has told Mukherjee and 3 times to Nityanand that Chandramukhi has given gulab to Mishra and Manshuk. So gulab is basically rose. Na? In Hindi, gulab is known. Gulab in rose in Hindi is called gulab. So BN Ghosh, that is the first chairman. Mukherjee was the second chairman of the second edition. 3 times of Nityanand means first time Ghosh has told Mukherjee that 3 times to Nityanand means first time, that is third pharmacopoeia, fourth pharmacopoeia, we are also having the Nityanand. Fifth pharmacopoeia, again Nityanand is there. What exactly they have tell, like Ghosh has told to Mukherjee that 3 times to Nityanand. Ghosh is a person that is telling to Mukherjee and 3 times to Nityanand that Chandramukhi, that is the name, na? Chandramukhi has given gulab, that is rose. In English it is called rose, in Hindi it is gulab. To what? Mishra and Manshuk. Mishra and Manshuk. Got it? I hope you had remembered this trick, na? Ghosh has told Mukherjee and 3 times through Nityanand that a person, that is the Chandramukhi, has given gulab to Mishra and Manshuk. So first pharmacopoeia, Indian pharmacopoeia, second pharmacopoeia, third pharmacopoeia means third color, na? 3 color, na? We are having the 3 color, that is in blue, then somehow orange, and the latest one is somehow reddish in color, or we can say orange reddish in color. This is also having the orange like of appearance, na? So these are the typical representation of the pharmacopoeia that I had collected. So I hope you had enjoyed this session completely as we had done with the pharmacopoeia. I hope you will get 1 or 2 questions in your upcoming pharma competitive examination. So please be connected with the GDC. We are here and we are working for all of you. We are just in the line of providing the best to best content to all the students that are preparing for any of the pharma competitive examination. So thank you so much, everyone. Be happy, keep learning. All the best for examination.